Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Sorry about my nails. I just took off the press-ons. Wanted to do this video because I made an impulse purchase, and last video I said that I was going to use my 1’s until I became debt free, but that didn't happen. I used them today, so I'm going to show you what I got. I guess that's my debt-free gift. The total was $211 for this purchase, and in my 1 savings, I had $257 saved up from December until today. What is today? June 9th, 2021. So what I got was, I got myself an Apple Watch, and even though I got this, I feel like even though it is kind of expensive, I got the Series 3 because I did my research and I felt like the Series 6 was too expensive. I think it was like $350 or something. It was like $100 more, but I was like, let me just get the 3. Basically it does the same thing. So I was like, I could use this during all summer, so let me just buy it now and not wait until the date that I set my goal of August 17th. So I'm going to do an unboxing of this and then show you how much I still have left of my 1 savings. I really hope the mowing is not too loud because I might have to make this video over again. Alright, so let's unbox. Alright, let's see. How do I even open it? Oops. And I got the black, I believe this is the 44, or is it 42? I don't know. Let's see, I think it's the 42. I'm able to make this video right now because my son fell asleep during the daytime. So it brings, I guess, an extra wristband thing and the charger. And then this is it right here. Is it worth $211? I'm gonna have to try it out. Okay, it's turning on. Okay. So this was definitely on impulse. I was just like, YOLO, let me get it now. The money is just sitting there in my 1 savings. I did have this Fitbit all the time, which is like way smaller. This is what I use daily. So I'll see the difference between these two. Okay, so that's what I decided to buy. Hopefully I don't end up returning it or anything. Okay, and now what I have left of $257 is this. So let's count it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $46 left. I mean, I feel like that's okay. Now I just start my 1's all over again. So thank you all for watching. That was my unboxing of my Apple Watch that I just got, and I'll see how it goes with it. If not, I'm gonna have to maybe switch back to the Fitbit. So thank you for watching. Bye.